Hello fams, you're welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope everyone is doing fine. Thank you so much for stopping by. To my old and new subscribers, God bless you. Thank you for tuning in. So I'm back with another video. As you can see at the title, homemade kebab. Yeah, I want to make homemade kebab. So this is my chicken breast. I've already sliced it to my choice. You can make it smaller as you want. Okay, so this is the spices I'm going to use to marinate the chicken: garlic powder, ginger powder, paprika, thyme, turmeric, mixed spices, black pepper. So you can adjust the spices the way you want. Okay, so this is what I'm having here now. You can also add kebab spices. I don't have it now, that is why I didn't add it. Okay, so I'll go ahead and join everything together, mix everything together, mix it thoroughly, mix it very well. Okay, so you can also use your hands, but this time around I don't want to use my hands because I want to make use of my hand for many things. So this is the soy sauce. You can add other sauce you love to use for marinating your meat. So, but this is what I'm using here now. Soy sauce, mix very well. Then pinch of salt. Add salt to your taste. So after that, I will just put it in the fridge to stay for some time. So it's out from the fridge now. Then I'll go ahead and stir fry the meat. This is olive oil. Then I'll add the meat. So you have to give it time. Stir fry on a low heat so that all the ingredients will soak into the meat. So I've been frying this for 5 minutes. So this is the barbecue sauce. I'll go ahead and add it. So you continue stir frying on a low heat. So by this time, I've fried it up to 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Okay, so it is done. Yeah, it is done. So I will do away with it. Then this is another pan for the mushroom. So this is the next stage. So I added the oil, olive oil, then stir fry a little bit. Then I'll go ahead and add water, a little water. Then cook on a low heat. So I wanted to use this mushroom for it. So it depends on the veggies you want to use. I have other veggies I'm going to use, but I really want to use mushroom for this. Okay, so this is it. I'm through, and this is the bread we are using. Farms, when it came to this stage, I'm not in charge again because the vegetable I have here in my house, everybody have the choice of their veggies for their kebab. So I've gone ahead to grill the bread. Now every one of them are taking their choice of vegetables. Okay, so every one of us, I'm not going to add everything here because the video will be long. But I just want to show you how we make our homemade kebab. Okay, you can see the veggies we have there: carrot, cabbage, lettuce, tomatoes, and the mushroom and the cucumber, a lot of them. Okay, so we really enjoy this. Hey, try this for your family. In fact, it make you eat very well. When you go to the shop to get it, they will just be managing a lot of things. But here you can make choice of your, veggies. You eat it the way you want. So this is it. At this time around, we are trying to give everyone the choice of their veggies. Okay, so many of them don't like mushroom and other things involved. So this is the first part I made, and they will go ahead to do others off camera. If you're watching up to this period, God bless you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed. Thank you. Bye.